Hello, my dear friends. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're going to be discussing the topic of E-2 visa for the purposes of online business and all the difficulties that we need to overcome. You also will learn how to get a free evaluation of your E-2 visa. Let's go. We have been discussing E-2 visa from a lot of different angles, but we never touched on the topic of how to get the E-2 visa for the online business, and I definitely see difficulties that may arise in this case. But before we begin, let's first remind ourselves, let's refresh what is E-2 visa. First of all, it's a non-immigrant work investment visa. So the criteria for this visa are: you need to have a business plan and a company organized here in the US, the startup company or an existing company. You also have to invest at least $100,000 in your startup or in purchasing an existing business. Number three, we have to prove the origin and source of the funds, so of that money that you're investing in this company. And also, we need to show that you will be directing and controlling that company and that this company is going to bring the economic effect. It's going to be good for the US economy. And definitely your passport needs to be from the proper country, and the list of the countries you will see in the link below this video. Most of the European countries, a lot of Asian countries, South American countries, they fall within this category. But now the question arises, if I do the online business, how do I prove to the US government that I have to be in the US? Because the online business is online business. Maybe I want to sell stuff on Amazon, maybe on eBay, maybe on Etsy, or whatever platform, marketplace we're in, and that does not provide for me being here in the US. And definitely I see the concern. I see the concern here, but with my years of experience, I found the way how to best approach this difficulty. And smash that like button right now if you like my content, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the bell button not to miss the good videos I release every week only for you. Let's go with example where your idea is to start selling on Amazon. So you register in, let's say, LLC here in Florida. You have a business plan. You're going to spend $150,000 and maybe $100,000 out of this $150,000 to purchase the goods, okay, and ship them to the US. $5,000 for the warehouse. Maybe you need some equipment, some software, some computers, a website, maybe marketing money. So we can push to, I don't know, $120,000 to invest in the business, leave $30,000 as operational expenses, and the business plan. So the question is, if we do all this, will the immigration officer in the USCIS or in the US consulate is going to say, hey, but why do you need to be in the US? Like, what's going on? You can sell on Amazon sitting in Pakistan, in Germany, in whatever country you're from, okay? And this is a legit question. When I get things like that, like, hey, Stanislav, I just want to sell on Amazon. I don't care about everything else. That's the way to go. So let's proceed with this. And I will always say, hey, let's stop right here. Let's have a deep dive in your business idea. But before we do this, let me explain to you how to get a free evaluation of your E-2 visa. And this is very easy. Go down below this video in the description and find the link that says free evaluation for E-2 visa, for a business visa, and fill out the questionnaire that I prepared for you. And within 2 days, I will get back to you and tell you, hey, this is what you have with your E-2 visa and maybe some other visa. And I'll tell you which criteria you fulfill, which you may fulfill. And most importantly, if you have the potential in your case. And if you do, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning, where I will build up a written winning strategy for your E-2 case. Okay, so what do we need to do in order not to be questioned on our business idea by the immigration officer? And this is kind of simple, but you guys know everything genius is simple. What we need to do with your business idea, with your business plan, we need to expand it beyond the Amazon or other marketplaces. What I want you to do is to think about your idea is not just like Amazon business or Etsy business, but online marketplace idea. Definitely we can mention Amazon and all in Facebook and even TikTok now sells in the USA. But we also need to put a lot of focus on your own website and you promoting your own platform, website where you're gonna sell things. And everything else or other platforms, they're gonna be secondary to your idea. And I'm not saying that you need to lie to the immigration officer, but you need to think as a businessman about your idea and think about other options that you have available here in the US. Because if you bet only on one horse and that horse falls sometime along the way, you're going to lose your business. Not only bad for the immigration purposes, but it's also bad for the business and the future of your idea. You need to pack up your idea as a major online business. We're going to be using different platforms, diversify and build up your empire just like that. All right, don't forget the free evaluation. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, also my Instagram and my TikTok. I am Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.